This is the El Grande extension pole for the GoPros. First of all, there is a paper that you have lifetime warranty. And then we have the pole. What you can do is you can change the position of this ball head here. For this to work, you need one of those things delivered with the GoPro where you can attach your GoPro to, because this doesn't attach without it. And then we can extend it. Pretty long, I think about 1 meter. And now you can just use it as a selfie stick to record. Or maybe you can do fake drone shots by holding it up. And if you turn it a little bit, you can collapse it again. You can also use it as a small pole to have more grip while filming, because if you film and you have more area to hold your hands, you get a more steady shot. So definitely recommend it over holding it just in your hand. This is gonna be not that steady shot. If you have it on here and you hold it with 2 hands, it's gonna be pretty steady. And you don't want footage like you're on a boat.